Hi, I'm Tadao of Madatsukaerude. Madatsukaerude is Japanese, meaning you can still use it. So let's repair it yourself and save money, energy, and resources. Today I'm gonna show you how to replace the starter of 93 Jeep Cherokee. Actually, the location of the starter of this truck is not really great. You typically have the oil dripping down to the starter if you replace the oil filter. And also my case, I had a big water leak, cooling water leak 3 weeks ago, and I repaired that, but actually that water I believe damaged the starter, so the starter didn't really work well, so I replaced it. So it was not really that difficult, but it's a little bit pain, but it's okay. This is how it went. So I'm gonna try to start the motor. Yeah, so this is the situation. So I actually charged the battery to the full last night. So I think this is the starter. So I'm gonna replace the starter. So this is the starter I got. This is the rebuilt one with 1 year warranty, and there are 2 holes to fix this parts to the motor, and I hope this is straightforward. So that is the starter. Obviously this is the one screw. I don't see the other screw, so I guess I think I can access it from bottom. Okay, so this is, I think this is the second, this one is the second screw. So 1 and 2, one here, and terminal is this one. So I'm gonna remove I already removed disconnected the battery, so it's safe to work on this, and disconnect the terminal and the 2 screws. So it should be easy. Okay, I'm gonna work on the terminals. One is 8mm, I think. And another one is 19mm. Yeah, I'm gonna loosen this. So I'm gonna loosen the first bolt at the bottom. Actually the terminal larger bolt was 13 rather than 19. I just read mistakenly, so it was 13, and this screw is bolt is 14. This is tight. Okay, loosen. And I'm gonna work on the other side. So I'm gonna loosen the bolt here. This guy. Okay, this guy. Okay, hose is out. Okay, alright, it's out. So I gotta get a new one. I'm gonna put the new one. Okay. My finger tightened both bolts, so I'm gonna tighten that. Okay. All right, it's set. Okay, let's try to start the motor. Woo! Nice. Okay, it was a easy fix, and I think I'm gonna stop the. Well, I explained why the starter was damaged, but I believe this Jeep Cherokee has a bad location of the starter, and every time we replace the oil filter, or you have a chance of dripping oil go into the starter. And also in my case, I believe that was caused by the water damage. I got a big water leak, cooling water leak couple of weeks ago, and that I believe damaged the starter. But anyways, I'm gonna stop my video, and thank you for watching. Bye.